They're doing the grill at the moment. Yeah. So banyak sedap. Banyak bagus.
Customer ya.
Yeah. Alright. So I hope you have a very good grill session here. Okay. So I hope it's gonna be busy, huh? Right. And, this is Patrick Roy, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. And today we're gonna try 3 types of Nasi Lemak. So bear with me and stay on with this channel. Okay, now he's preparing the lamb, the grilled lamb or kambing bakar. Okay, so he's putting all the lamb on the plate with rice at the side. He's gonna add in sambal as well. Homemade sambal. Oh ho ho! This is the chicken wing, grilled chicken wing or ayam bakar. Okay, with we're gonna add in the sambal just a while more. Add the sambal on. A bit more sambal, I think should be okay. Yeah. Grilled lamb. Grilled lamb. Yeah, we have the sambal, egg, and the cucumber. Next one we have the squid sambal, and the next one we have the chicken, grilled chicken. Okay, let us eat. Okay, let us eat. Okay, we're gonna try the grilled lamb. Okay, with a piece of lamb here. Okay. It's so delicious. Okay, sambal is not too sweet and it's not too spicy, just nice. And they really use the coconut rice as well. Yeah. The lamb is done into perfection. Yeah, it's not well cooked and it's just medium. The next one we're gonna try is the sambal sotong. Okay, take a piece of this. So amazing. Sambal is nice. Little crunchy there. Try a bit of egg here as well. So delicious. So delicious. Okay, you take a bit of this. Amazing. Amazing. Next one we're gonna try is the chicken wing. I never tried a chicken wing with Nasi Lemak before, so this is the first time. Okay, take a piece of the chicken. Okay, so delicious, and the crunch from the cucumber as well. finish. See, from the lamb chop there, the squid here, chicken wing over here, all finished. So this place is great. So I hope everyone will come to this place and enjoy this place very much. Hey guys, we are finished with our Nasi Lemak. Okay, so just another day, and I hope you enjoy the food, and please like and subscribe to my channel, Food Must Travel.